Hello, David Berry here. I've got on the bench here an Everest pure water filter tank. So we're going to go through exactly what you get when you buy one of our tanks, what's in the box, and how the components all fit together. So first thing here, we've got the bag of accessories, all the bits and pieces. Here we've got the tank itself. Put a handler. And last, if you buy the unit with the resin, then you'll get 2 5-litre bags of resin that you've got to put inside the tank. So it's a 10-litre tank, takes obviously 10 litres of resin. So let's have a quick look what's in the accessory kit. This is a filter remover, probably don't need it, so that just fits on here to help you turn this. It should be finger tight and you should keep it finger tight. Got some thread tape, so occasionally you're going to get leaks in the fittings. You may need to unbolt them, put a bit of thread tape around them, stop any drips. You've got a TDS meter. So TDS stands for total dissolved solids. So this will measure the amount of dissolved solids in your outlet water. It'll also tell you what your inlet water is. And if you know what your inlet water is, that will tell you how long your resin's going to last approximately. So it comes with batteries. You just turn it on, take the top of it, you put it under your outlet water from your hose. That'll tell you if you're 80 parts per million or 150 parts per million. You put it on this end. After it's been through the filter and after it's been through the resin, it should be 0. Now, over time, your resin's going to run out of capacity and the dissolved solids in the outlet water will rise. When it gets to 15, 20 parts per million, it's probably time to change your resin. I mean, the simple way to know if you don't have a TDS meter or your TDS meter's broken, if it starts to leave spots on the glass or spots on your car or whatever you're cleaning, then it's obviously not taking the solids out of the water and it's time to change your resin. So TDS meter. Keep them safe. You've also got your hose. Now this hose comes with the fittings on the tap and the other side into the inlet. So this will let water into the system. But first of all, it goes into the pre-filter. So in the pre-filter, you can unscrew this. Inside is a very good quality coconut carbon charcoal filter. This will take chlorine out of the water. It will take all the small deposits apart from things that are really dissolved like minerals. That's what the resin's for. So this is your pre-filter. You need to change the pre-filter every second time you fill your tank with resin. Now, the other end, you might notice an on-off valve. So when you're in use, you've got to have it on, which is straightforward. When you're finished, you turn it off. And the reason you turn it off, predominantly if this falls over in your van, then all the water's going to run out, and you don't want that. That'll just make a mess. The other reason is to stop air getting back into the resin, because air will degrade the quality of the resin. Now, you get 2 5-litre bags of resin. They go in here. Now we're not going to do this now, but I'll just show you what's inside the tank. So you unscrew it. You've got your main stem. This goes down to the bottom. You fill your resin in here. We'll do another video how to fill resin. The only thing you need to know about this can come off. If you do happen to get it and it's down here, or you pull it out and it's down there, it needs to go back up here, just a little turn, and you feel it lock in place. Now you tip your resin in there, you wiggle this down to the bottom, and then you do it up again. Just carefully, round and round. Again, finger tight. It obviously doesn't need to be leaking, but it doesn't need to be overly tight. So just do it until you feel that it's firm. And that's it. That's all for today. Thank you.